One man. You know one the girl that fi feed that thing in a lazy hands.